Hello guys, welcome to another video in which we would be discussing about how to fix could not create Apple ID too many new Apple ID. If you are facing the issue which says could not create Apple ID too many new Apple IDs, this is a common problem that arises when you have exceeded the limit of new Apple IDs you can create on a single device in a year. This limit is set by Apple to prevent abuse and maintain the security of their services. But don't worry, in this video we'll help you find a solution for it. Just follow these easy steps. 1. Create a new Apple ID on another device. If you have access to another Apple device or a computer, you can create a new Apple ID there and then sign into your iPhone. 2. Contact Apple support. If you don't have access to another device, you can contact Apple support and request a new Apple ID for your iPhone. They can help you reset the limit or provide assistance with the issue. 3. Sadly, you had to wait for a year. If you have recently created multiple Apple IDs on your iPhone, you may need to wait for a year before you create a new one. This is because Apple limits the number of new IDs you can create on a single device in a year. 4. Check Apple system status. Ensure that the Apple servers are up and running. If there is an outage, it could be causing the issue. For that, go to Safari and search for apple.com and navigate to System Status. Make sure everything is up to date. 5. Upgrade iOS version. Ensure that your phone is running on the latest iOS. If not, you can update it. For that, go to Settings, General and then Software Update. Make sure your device is up to date, or else download and install. 6. Check internet connection and reset network. Ensure that your iPhone is connected to a stable and fast internet connection. You can try switching between Wi-Fi and cellular data. If not, you can try resetting your network settings. For that, go to Settings, General and scroll down till you see Transfer or Reset iPhone. Click on Reset and select Reset Network Settings. 7. Erase all content and settings. If none of the above solutions work, you can try erasing all content and settings on your iPhone. This will reset your iPhone to its factory settings and may resolve the issue. For that, you can click on General and scroll down till you see Transfer or Reset iPhone and click on Erase all content and settings. Remember that creating multiple Apple IDs on a device is not recommended, as it can lead to various issues and safety concerns. It's better to use single Apple ID for all your devices and services.